Hello and welcome to our last lecture on React Native. Thank you so much for following along, and we hope you learned a lot of new things from this course. This video is to quickly go over what we've taught you during this course. So first, you learned how to install React Native simply. If you attempt to install a React Native app without any guidance as a beginner, issues might occur. But if you take the time to rewatch the previous videos, you will see that I've also made some mistakes along the way. And yeah, you'll just, learn from the mistakes as well, not just from the tutorial lectures. Yeah, so basically any misunderstandings were eliminated by considering as many potential error-causing factors as possible, and as a result, you won't encounter any issues when installing the native React app. Alright, so following this, fundamental JavaScript topics were covered. Although not all JavaScript methods were used, they were all covered for knowledge purposes in case you were unfamiliar with JavaScript. These lectures are not compulsory. Like if you are proficient in JavaScript, of course, you can skip them. Following this, the fundamental principles for React were addressed, including how to style, use hooks, construct navigation, etc. Finally, we worked on a simple app. After that, a color generator was made to aid in the creation of colors. After all this new knowledge, we've reached the end of the React Native course. Additionally, we demonstrated how to use various extensions and shortcut keys to work 10 times faster in React Native. Okay, so this video marks the end of the course. I hope that throughout this course, you got to learn many new concepts and ideas. Okay, so if you require some extra information, the course's whole source codes section will be posted along with it. Therefore, you can examine and compare your issues with the source codes to locate and solve errors when you could be having some difficulties understanding the lectures. So just open the source code and try to, take your time when looking into it. Okay, therefore, everything that is important for a novice to grasp was explained in this course on React Native. Thank you so much for your attention, and we really hope to see you soon for another course. So until then, good luck and take care.